cross, otherwise you are taking your life into your own hands.
Look how excited he is.
Come to W District and get what you want.
Hello, welcome to Swaddy Car. My name is Rob, and in today's video, we're going to be doing a condo tour down here in Prakannon with my good friend George here. He's been kind enough to show me around his condo, all the facilities, and well, I'm going to be talking about what's in the area, why you want to stay down here in Prakannon, and it's all coming up in today's video. All right, so like I said, as always, I talk about the area, and this is actually Prakannon, but one stop either direction. You've got Ekamai, which all by itself I should make a video on actually. It's a really popular area. You've got the Gateway Mall there, and then on the other side you've got On Newt, which has Lotus Mall, a really big one, which is actually one of the main reasons to live in the On Newt area. So to have that just one stop away, it's just a huge benefit. There's another shopping mall there. I think it's got like the cinema and stuff like that. There's just a bunch of stuff, just one stop either direction on the BTS. So it's really, really convenient. All right, so what's actually here at Prakannon? Because, well, this is W District. This is basically next to the condo as well, right? And just walking distance from the BTS. It's kind of like an outdoor nightlife venue that's got kind of like art decorations everywhere. And, well, obviously bars and restaurants and all sorts of stuff. And you were saying it's got like a mixed bag of food, is that right?
Yeah, so, I mean, all around the side, you've got all different types of food. You've got Mexican, you've got Chinese, you've got Indian, you've got Greek, whatever you want. So if you come in with a group and you like different food, come to W District and get what you want.
There you go, W District. All right, while we're out, I'm thinking of a downside to living in this area actually, and it's right here. It is chaos. It is busy. What other downsides are there of living here?
I mean, this is probably the biggest one, right?
Yeah.
You don't get any toys, you don't get none of the problems here. It's the busyness of the road. Like crossing this right now,
Yeah.
it's a pain in the arse. You pretty much got to walk all the way up to the end of the road there,
Yeah.
wait for it to turn green and cross. Otherwise, you are taking your life into your own hands.
Yeah, it's busy. Everywhere's got a downside, right?
Yeah.
So we just walked around the corner. George has brought me around here. He said there's a market nearby, which might be down some of the alleys. But you got like all of the local kind of like street food markets. This is where all the local tyres are. So why do you come? There's no tourists around here. There's no foreigners either. But you've just got a bunch of street food and stalls everywhere to get like your lunch or your dinner. Again, it's pretty busy, but it's worth it. Like the food here looks absolutely incredible. So if you're looking for local Thai street food, it's literally across the road. The condo's like right behind there.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's all just on your doorstep as well. So George mentioned earlier there was a market and we couldn't find it, but now we've stumbled across it and actually it's really good. You were saying that it's mostly people from Myanmar here, right?
A lot of people from Myanmar here.
Yeah, they got like some food, some little restaurants, a few bikes going around and like some clothes, and yeah, it's just kind of like a mixed bag. You've got a barber's here as well. Yeah, and this is just like what, 100 meters away from the condo?
100 meters away. This is a proper little Bangkok market. Hidden exactly everything you dream of when you think about going to a Bangkok market. This is literally
Look
it.
how excited he is. I'll link this market down below so you know exactly where the market is and where the condo is as well. All right, so let's talk about the facilities before we jump into the room. We've got a really good sized pool here, and although it's in the shade, you say it's warmer than the one at Ashton.
It's much warmer than the one in Ashton. Ashton is freezing.
Yeah, which I told you guys in a previous video actually. And the good thing is, I suppose if it's warmer and it's in the shade all day, you don't get cooked by the sun. It's kind of like a win-win, right?
Yeah, this is like a little hideaway from the sun. It's like a little mini escape from the heat.
It feels warm here. It's kind of like it's been heated by all the surrounding buildings, but yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's really nice. The gym, really well equipped. Look, I got brand new equipment in there, quite sort of more techie. Does that make sense?
Yeah, like the treadmills are the best treadmills I've ever used. They're like real heavy duty,
Yeah.
insane stuff on it. All the equipment really, really good, new, modern.
Yeah.
One of the best equipped gyms I've been in any condo.
Nice. And a few co-working spaces, kind of like a little kids area, and yeah, just kind of everything you need up here in the facilities. All right, so this is the room itself. This is 35 square meters.
35 square.
Don't look creepy, George. And he's got this on a 1-year contract. We're on the 10th floor, and like I said, it's right next to the Prakannon. Well, I'll show you. The Prakannon BTS is just there, so it's really conveniently located. The room itself, you've got like a nice little kind of like prep area for the kitchen, right? You've got a Smeg oven, a countertop, extractor fan. You were saying the thing you like the most about the condo is storage, right?
Storage is really good because, like, just being in Bangkok, you just seem to accumulate crap.
Yeah.
Everything's so cheap.
You do.
So, like, all around here, you've got storage up here, you've got storage around here, you've got storage under here, you've got storage in here.
Well, no way.
Glasses and shit. So there's literally storage everywhere.
Okay, I would have never noticed that at
No.
all. And this is the thing, like you need someone to actually be living in somewhere to go, oh, this is here, and everything else. Kind of got like windows throughout. It's quite light and airy as well. And how's the noise with the road?
The noise is okay.
Yep, not good, not bad. The
Sometimes when
sign says it all. Don't say anything more. It's like,
Yeah.
you can hear the road.
You can hear the road. You can hear the road.
Even up on level 10, you can still hear the road a
Yeah.
little bit. And you were, we were sort of saying about the occupancy rate here at the room is like really low. Like there's nobody here.
It's quiet. It's one of
Yeah.
my favorite things about living here is the fact that it's so quiet.
All right, so me personally, I just like the view from the bed, looking out across the BTS. You said yourself you like the view of the BTS as well. Kind of got like this mishmash of like green, construction, new buildings, old buildings. Yeah, it's just it's a pretty nice view, and it's probably what you're paying for as well. All right, so all of that said, location, amenities, everything else, how much is this unit?
This is 20,000 Thai baht a month.
Okay, so roughly about sort of £500, about $600, give or
About
take. I'll put it on screen how much it is. It'll probably be on the thumbnail anyway, so you guys know already. Do you think it's good value or not?
I think it's really good value. For me, this ticks all of the boxes I was after. It's in a good location that's convenient to everything, but it's removed from all of the touristy hotspots. So you get that balance between just general convenience and everything going on, as well as not being too immersed in just the whole tourist trap side of things. I love the facilities. It ticks every box I was after: location, facilities, general convenience.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm living in a bit more of the real Thailand, living in Prakanong and not in Asok or anything like that.
What a personal review to have as well. George has been living here for some time now. He's my resident weed expert. If you've not seen the videos that we've done together, check out his channel. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.